Hi, mm, today we're deploying an ELK stack using Vagrant. This is a fully automated deployment. Now these are my configuration file. Let's have a look at how the Vagrant file looks like. So that's how it looks like. If you're familiar with it, you'll see that this line deploys the image. I'm assigning an IP address. I'm setting up the host name. I'm running a custom script which will just install a few tools, and then I'm running an Ansible playbook which will basically take over the deployment and complete it. What else? Okay, the setup file just points to Ansible role. Okay, let's kick it off. I'm just gonna put a time so we see how long it takes. So what this is gonna do, it will deploy. So this is the new VM virtual machine that it's deploying, and you'll see it will change its name to the name that we gave it. It's still importing the image. Now it's moving along. The name should have changed by now. See, this is the name that we assigned it. Just so you see what's happening in the background. Well, in the background, the machine is already booted and started. Yeah, so now Vagrant is setting up itself on the virtual machine. Now it's kicking off the script. This is just a small script that installs some tools that I need. So it just does a yum install of 3 packages. All of these are just dependencies of the packages that I'm installing. Now the Ansible playbook is starting. Here's the playbook running. Okay, so the first task is to update the system. If you have a look at the console here on the system, just to see what's happening. If you have a look at the yum log file, you'll see it will start. It will show you what it's actually updating, what it's doing. Let's give it some time. So it's doing a full system update. Now, just to remind you, this is on a CentOS 7 operating system. Yeah. So I think what it's doing now, it's downloading all the packages first, and then it will start installing. So why are we first updating the system? Because we need the system to be at the latest version. Yeah. Okay, it started updating it. As you can see, packages are getting updated. And yeah, so just depending on how fast the connection is, that's that's how it will happen. Okay, just for the sake of time, I'm just going to pause it while it's updating it. Okay, so it's moved on to the other task. So the next task is to set up NTP on the system. Why do we need to set up NTP? Because we need the time to be synchronized, and we need to have the right times here. Because Elasticsearch is very dependent on your system time. So you have to make sure that your time is correct. So that's why we're deploying that there, and we're starting up the service here, so it can start catching up. And so here we are setting up the repository. So this is deployed on the ELK version 6, and as you know, for you to run ELK, you need Java installed. So that was the task over there, which is done. Now it's actually installing the ELK stack, which is Elasticsearch, Kibana, and Logstash. And even thus, you can also have a look here. If you look for Ansible, you see that's the command, that's the Ansible command that is running now, which is so if you look at what is this? Okay, let's install root. You see right here, this is where it's installing Elasticsearch. It's doing Kibana as well, and Logstash. Right, so it's downloading those on the machine. Okay, so that's the ELK stack has been installed, and then it skipped these two tasks because it's not doing a restore, so we don't need to do these two. But then we did a setup of the Elasticsearch configuration, and we did so we fixed the JVM. We also deployed the JVM option, which didn't really change because it was already on 1 gig. And yeah, the machine restarted. Waited for the machine to come back up. The machine is already up, and it's just started ELK services. So it took us about 12 minutes and 58 seconds. So in 12 minutes 58 seconds, the entire deployment of the ELK stack has been done, and it's basically ready to be used. So let's just go into the machine. So you can SSH from anywhere, but I'm just going to SSH from here. And just going to go to root quickly. So I'm going to go have a look at Elasticsearch configuration log file to see what's happening. So there we go. We know that okay, so this is Kibana adding the template. This is Elasticsearch license, which is a basic license, Kibana, and here we have a cluster health status change from yellow to green. So that means that the Elasticsearch Kibana front end is ready to be used. Let's put that to the test. So I'll just go to the IP address of the machine, which is going to be 21, just like it's been defined here, just like it's been defined here. Okay, so we'll go to 21 on Kibana. This will take me to Kibana, and there is Kibana. Okay, we don't need this for now, and there you have it. You have your cluster set up and ready to be used in under 12 minutes. Obviously there's no indexes here because it's a brand new cluster, so you're gonna have to start creating your indexes and all that. Alright, that's about it, folks. Next time I'll show you how to do system restore. A system restore, yeah, so we'll do a backup and then we'll restore it somewhere else. Okay, that's about it. Thanks, bye.